How to fix credit card decline Fortnite. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix credit card decline in Fortnite. First, what you have to do is simply check if you have a sufficient balance in your payment provider or not. If you have, the first thing you need to do is to close the Fortnite application. Then wait for the Epic Games launcher to start. Now after that, just simply click on your profile, then go to My Account. It will redirect you to a browser. In your browser, go to the Payment Options section, the Payment Management. Now over here, choose the payment method and add that. For example, if it is a credit card, select credit card and enter your details. Make sure to use the credit card of your region that is selected on your account. If you have a credit card from a different country, just enter that country in your account settings. Then enter the credit card. If the country and the credit card are different, for example, if you are originally from the US and you have a credit card form, let us say the UK, what you can do is simply use a VPN to change the location of your account momentarily. Then enter your credit card and do the transaction in your account. After the transaction, you can just simply turn off the VPN and it will be the same and you will get the V-Bucks. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.